How to Do Impressions, featuring David Stylz, with today's impression being SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay, let's meet our student today. Hello, David. In order to learn this impression, you will have to know the pitch, speech, scream, and laugh. Were you able to memorize all that? That's okay. We're going to go over each step of the way. Are you ready? Wonderful. Let's start with the pitch. Let's begin with a vocal exercise. That's enough. Now, from the bottom note to the top, raise your voice. Right there. Well done, David. That is the pitch to maintain when using the voice. Now let's move on to the speech. Wait, before you say anything, repeat after me this simple phrase. Hello, everybody. I'd like to order a Krabby Patty.
Hello, everybody. I would like to order a Krabby Patty.
Not bad, David, but keep in mind that SpongeBob acts like a child. Now, repeat the phrase more childish and silly.
Hello, everybody. I'd like to order a Krabby Patty.
Well done, David. Let's move on. Screaming and being loud in general is a common occurrence that SpongeBob desires to portray sometimes. Now let's hear it.
Oh my God!
Come on, David. I want terror and energy.
Oh my God!
Okay, I think you got it. Whoa now, wait a minute, sport. You almost forgot. Don't you need to know how to learn the laugh? Okay, let's move on. Every great cartoon has an iconic laugh. Thankfully, this one is simple to learn. Let's try it. Take your index finger and place it against your neck. No, silly. That's not what I meant. Use the length of your finger against your neck in an up and down motion. Do you think you have it down now, David? Good. By saying the word die and repeating this function will complete the laugh. Go ahead. Well done, David. You did it. I hope you had fun today. Remember that impressions are fun and that it's okay to be silly. And remember to always work hard. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.